So are you also still adding new subscribers in your Kit account manually whenever you receive a new lead from Google Ads? Then you are on the right video. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can automatically add Google Ad leads to Kit. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow built inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of Google Ad leads to your kit using Pabbly Connect for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as Google Ads, and now for the event, select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. Now it has given me a webhook URL, so just copy the webhook URL and follow these steps in order to create a connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so what we have to do, we just have to open our campaign, and in this campaign you have to make sure that you have added a lead form. It is very important. As you can see that I have added my lead form right over here, and the connection between Pabbly Connect and this Google Ads campaign is going to happen using this lead form only. Okay, so after adding this lead form, we have to connect this lead form with Pabbly Connect. For that, you just have to scroll and you're going to see the option of this lead delivery. So open this. It is asking for the webhook URL and the key. So first of all, for the webhook URL, just paste the URL which you copied from the workflow, and then for the key, enter the key and click on this send test data. It is saying test data sent, so let's open our workflow, and over here Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same. So as you can see that Pabbly has successfully captured the response right over here, and once we have captured this response, we are good to go. But over here, before we move on further, I'll just let you know that we have captured the test data. If you want to capture the real details of your real lead, then you have to click on this recapture webhook response and then yes, and then wait until you receive a real lead in real time. Once you receive a real lead in real time, you can simply add it in your kit as a new subscriber. This is the first option. The second option is you can create this automation using the test lead details like I am going to do, and it is going to run perfectly fine for real leads too. Okay, so what you have to do, click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to search for kit, and we're going to see two options, kit and kit v4 API key. So you have to select just kit v4 over here. For the event, select it as insert or update subscriber by email and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between kit and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and you have to make sure that your kit account is logged in before starting with the automation. Then you have to click on this connect with kit button right over here. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions, so click on this grant access to Pabbly Connect, and automatically your kit account will be connected to Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, you just have to enter the email address and the first name, but you're not going to enter the details manually by typing it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. In order to map these details, you have to put a slash, search for the details and map it like this. Make sure to only map the string value. After mapping the email address and the first name, you have to select the subscriber state as active and click on this save and send test request. You can see once we're going to click on the save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully added the new details in our kit account. So let's open our kit, and you're going to see the details are added right over here, be the first name or the email address is exactly the same. Not only this, but now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from this Google Ads campaign, instantly a subscriber in kit will be created automatically. Apart from this, if you want to add the subscriber in a sequence or in a form, then you have to click on this add new action step, select kit once again right over here, and now for the event, select it as add subscriber to form or sequence. You can add the existing subscriber to a specific form or sequence. You just have to create the connection like we created it right now. And after creating this connection, what you have to do, you just have to select the form or the sequence right over here and enter the subscriber ID. You have to map the subscriber ID right over here. Okay, like this you can add the subscriber to the form or the sequence too. And yes, with this we have successfully learned how to automatically add Google Ads leads to Kit, and you can also go and try this amazing automation because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, go and try this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget that the workflow URL is attached in the description box below. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.